Hey everyone, looking for a healthy lunch today? Let's make some Quinoa Pulav. This is a very quick recipe and super nutritious. To make this, I'm using one onion that is chopped in long pieces. I have some red pepper, some yellow pepper which is cubed. I also have some green chilies which is finely chopped. This is totally optional. There is some finely chopped ginger, about a handful of spinach that's chopped finely, some carrots, sweet green peas, 1 cup of quinoa, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder and some black pepper. Apart from this, we will use some oil, some salt to taste and of course water. Put the pan on a stove and now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. So basically I have 1 cup of quinoa and 1.5 cup of water that I'll need to cook this quinoa. Let this come to a quick boil. As you can see, the water is coming to a boil and now I'm going to add in the quinoa. Cook the quinoa on a medium flame. I'm also going to cover this and we will allow the water to absorb and we will slowly see the quinoa sprout out. While the quinoa is boiling, let's start making the tempeh. So here I'm taking about 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. The oil is all heated. Let's add in the onion, the ginger and the green chili. Saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is sauteed for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the carrots, the green peas, the red pepper, some yellow pepper. Mix this well, saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Time to add in the spices. Let's start by adding the garam masala powder, the turmeric powder and salt to taste. I'm also going to add in some black pepper. Give this a good mix. You can add more veggies you like. Any veggies of your choice go very well with this. You could add broccoli, you could add beans. If you like it tangy, you can also add some lemon juice at this time. Next, let's add in the chopped spinach and fold it in as well. As you can see, our quinoa is fully cooked. It is almost sprouted. I also allow this to cool for 3 to 4 minutes before I'm adding this to the main mixture. So now, let's empty the quinoa into this vegetable mix. Blend them well together. Allow it to saute for about 4 to 5 minutes before you can actually serve it. As you can see, this is starting to turn yellow. The turmeric is giving away its color. I'm also going to add in a little bit of lemon juice just for that slight pinch. This is completely optional and this is another optional garnish. I'm using roasted peanuts for a lot of crunch. You can completely skip this, but adding this really adds it and elevates the flavor.